Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix Wi-Fi not working on MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and restart your PC, get the basic right away. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead up here to the Wi-Fi settings, click on this right over here, and then simply go ahead and forget the network that you are currently using, and then simply go ahead and connect back to it. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your terminal by simply pressing space and command, and then search for a terminal right over here and click enter. Now I'm going to provide you a code that you want to go ahead and copy and paste. It's going to be on the description. Simply go ahead and copy paste the code right over here and click on enter. It's going to ask you for the password of your MacBook. Simply go ahead and enter that, and there you go. Your DNS cache is flushed as well, and now you can restart your PC and then start connecting again. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.